Hi, thanks for joining me on my market report. My name is Mike, and this market report is about mortgage rates. We kind of like to get into what's impacting the mortgage rates on a daily basis, whether they're going up or down or sideways, what's kind of like what the market's looking like, and what we could look for that week, and try to give you guys some insight as to what to watch out for if you guys are looking to refinance or purchase, and you guys are kind of keeping your eyes on mortgage rates. So this will hopefully be a tool for you guys to help you guys make an informed decision as to if you should lock in or kind of hold, or maybe you should, yeah, definitely want to lock in type of thing. Uh, if you guys got questions about any of this, please feel free to reach out. A little bit about myself is I am a loan officer. I do work with a national lender, so we're here to assist any way possible. We can help you talk a little bit about mortgage rates. We can talk about mortgage programs, the process, a lot of those different things. Just reach out via the social media site that you found this on, and we will be in. We can certainly connect from there. Uh, so, anyways, if you guys are looking to refinance or purchase, again, we got a lot of different loan programs available. Try to meet your needs and try to make it work for you guys. So, please feel free to reach out. So, without further ado, why don't we jump into this report here so we can see what's going on today? We do got a few economic data to report. We'll start off with the jobless claims. Last week's report, we had a pretty good one. It came in at 360,000 people. However, it did get slightly revised higher to 368,000. Forecasts are showing a dip further down to 350,000. However, we did have a pretty big spike upwards to 419,000. So this is the first time we've seen a 400 number in a little while here, probably about a month. We've been kind of seeing it dropping lower in the 300s, and then today kind of surprised the market at 419,000. So obviously not too good news right there. We had a slight drop, but not too much. So if you look at the continued claims here, that was revised slightly higher from 3.241 to 3.265, but came down to 3.236. But it didn't drop down as much as they had hoped. Now we got a report by NAR, National Association of Realtors, talking about existing home sales. Previous report for the month of May came in at 5.8 million annualized units. However, that was revised slightly lower down to 5.78 million. Forecast was kind of for an increase of 5.9. It didn't increase, not quite to expectations, but it's, again, nonetheless, it is an increase of 5.86 on there. And then leading index, this kind of gives us a gauge as to the economy, the booming economy, and kind of it's almost like a 6 month uh, crystal ball, kind of looking at what's going on there. So this was the previous report in May. It was at 1.3%, but it did get revised slightly lower to 1.2%. However, for this month, we see some slowing down a little bit. Forecast gone for 0.9, and it slowed down a little bit further down to 0.7% in June. So again, we'll have to kind of gauge this to see what's going on here. We do got a bit of a bottleneck. We got the issues with employment, where people not coming back to work yet, and so we got manufacturing. A lot of those people have large backorders. They're not able to get the supplies out there for a lot of people. Service sector obviously needs jobs, so so we're expecting this. Hopefully by end of summer, this will kind of work its way through, show some improvements there. But until then, we're at probably less than full capacity moving forward. Let's jump ahead to the headline news. See what's going on over there. Similar to yesterday, stocks are up. They're looking at Q2 corporate earnings, which is kind of still showing that there's some strength there in the economy. ECB came out with their formal statement, kind of like yesterday, reiterated, and it was really bond friendly. So the bonds are liking it. Mortgage-backed securities. We'll see that here right now. We're up 19 basis points. Kind of, yesterday we were down. Basically worked our way back. So we kind of regained what we lost yesterday. So we're back to what we started at. So we got an improvement in our pricing. So our pricing is basically what we saw on Monday and Tuesday. More or less. So an improvement there. That was just obviously good news for those who are looking to, again, purchase or refinance. And news improved a little bit too. We dropped down to about 2.62. We were touching at the 1.29 level, and since then we pulled back a little bit. We were down a little bit further, but have subsided a little bit, and right now hanging at the 1.26%. So again, slight improvement in our mortgage rates. What we're seeing pricing to be similar to what we saw on Monday and Tuesday. All right, folks. Hope this is helpful. If you guys like the videos, I greatly appreciate if you guys smash that like button. It certainly helps out the channel here. Again, if you guys got questions about anything, we can be of any assistance. Please feel free to reach out. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll look forward to see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.